Okay, this is a quick video on putting together an armature when the armature is somewhat disconnected from other vertices that you got put together. So I got a simple cube here I'm starting with. I'm going to take this cube, I'm going to size it along the y-axis, make it kind of long, and then I'm going to hit Control R and subdivide it a few times, give it a bit of geometry to it. Great. And if I put an armature in here, it'll probably work reasonably well at this point in time. In fact, let's go ahead and try it, even though it's fairly long. I'm going to go to Object Mode, Add, Armature, do the X-ray vision, and my armature's in there, totally pointed the wrong way. Let's do a, not that view, yes, this view. Go into Edit Mode, R 90 degrees. Great, I got an armature there. Need at least one joint, otherwise this really is kind of pointless. So I'm going to hit E to extend. Now I got one joint in here. Looks reasonably good. Hit Tab. Okay, clearly not covering the entire thing. I'm going to select both of these. Hit Control P. Whoops, wrong order. Select this one, then select this one. Hit Control P. Armature deform with weights. Great, cool. I'm going to go into pose mode, grab this, and it deforms all the way to the end, even though that end goes way beyond the armature. It is smart enough to figure out how to guess that. Excellent. I'm going to select my box again, go into object mode, select just the box. Hit Tab to go into Edit Mode. Now, if I go up here at the top, and I'm going to add a, an icosphere, which of course is there. I'm going to grab it, move it along the, not that axis, this axis, there we go, and stick it up here at the top. At this point, it's disconnected from the rest of the vertices, and it is a new add as well. So if I hit Tab, go in here, flip into pose mode. Whoops, got to hit the armature first. Pose mode. Now when I grab this, it misses the rest of the mesh that I really would like to go with this armature. So how do I fix that? It's actually a pretty easy fix. I'm going to flip back here to object mode, select the box, hit Tab, and now I want to select every single vertice. Note that I'm in X-ray mode, so I get the back side too. I'm going to select every single vertice that I want to go with that bone that bent the top side here. So I've actually, let's see, I think I've got what I want here. Yeah, that looks about right. Top down view. Then over here are object data properties. So if you click object data properties, there's actually two things that are called vertex groups. You can name all of those little vertices that are in there and group them together. And the vertice grouping is really important for things like this because each vertice grouping goes with each bone. And it's actually already grouped these together and named them for me. One of these vertices is bone, which is going to be the backbone here, and this bone that I'm actually moving is bone 001. You can come in here and totally name the bones as well, which will follow along with the vertices. But I know that this is together, so if I hit assign, it will assign the vertices that I have selected here to this vertex bone group. So when I hit assign now, it's going to carry that additional set of vertices that I put in there with the icosphere. So I'm going to hit Tab, go into object mode, select my armature, go into pose mode, then I can grab this and the icosphere goes with it. Nothing's left behind. So if you do get stuff that's left behind, go ahead and go back into edit mode on the item, select all the vertices and put them into the same vertex group that's named the same as the bone that should be controlling those vertices.